Um, Great, so thank you all for coming. My name is Justin Luck. I am the program manager for Azure Container Instances, and we have with us today a special guest. We have Zip, who is one of the VPs at Haivision. He has a lot of fans, clearly. He's super popular. So today we're going to talk a little bit about what serverless on Azure can really be. It can be a FaaS or a functions as a service, but you can also combine it with things like containers to reach some unique designs that will offer a lot of benefits that we'll get into. So, number one, I probably have an idea about why some of you are here at this session, why you're here at this conference. You probably work somewhere where you get a lot of projects. You get roughly this much money to build something pretty awesome. You have roughly this much time to build the thing. And then when it's up in the air, they wonder why it doesn't look like that. And so things like serverless, things like containers, they can definitely help you achieve things like this, but it's not going to be able to do like miracles. So what can it actually do? So here's your Azure toolbox. This is a cliche metaphor that you probably heard, but it actually works pretty well. And so when you open it up, it explodes like this giant nerd piñata, and a lot of buzzwords come out. So I want to talk about serverless and containers specifically today. So when we dive in to what exactly this means, serverless gets overloaded a lot, and it gets equated with functions as a service, which is true to an extent, but things can be serverless even if they're not a direct FaaS. And so trait number one for serverless, it's typically consumption-based. You're not pre-provisioning infrastructure, letting it wait somewhere and trying to utilize it. You're just provisioning it on demand, so you pay for what you use. The other component of serverless is really low overhead. When you provision this infrastructure or you provide the compute for your applications, you shouldn't be patching VMs, basically. You shouldn't be having to deal with a really costly operational workflow. And then the last bit here is typically you have autoscaling built in. So when you look at Azure Functions, it has all of these three things. And it's really great if you're trying to execute code generally on the order of milliseconds to single-digit minutes. And so on the other hand, there's also containers. And so containers, if you're not familiar, is just a standardized way to package your applications. If you have more questions about it, we have two booths over there where you can come and ask us all the questions you could want to ask. So trait number one, containers are really good for custom fitting your application. When you look at the traditional VM, VHD model, you stick your application into a resource that might have more CPU cores than you might actually need. But in container land, you assign this granularly for each process that you want to run. And then the second component is that's lightweight. Since you're not booting up an operating system for every container that you need to run, it actually comes up quite fast. It lives in user space. And this allows you to respond more flexibly to incoming requests for your application. And the last bit is that standard packaging flow. This is something that you don't hear as much, but it's a huge benefit of containers, just the strictly simplification of deploying your application. It worked on my local machine. I want it to work in prod, even if it might be on a different host. Packaging it up in user space lets me do that a lot more easily. And so what is Azure Container Instances? Raise your hand if you've heard of this service. That's not bad. Raise your hand if you've actually used the service. Okay, we got a couple. So ACI. This is Azure's option for you to deploy a managed container. The way that you see a single instance of VM is the way that you should see ACI. So ACI brings in those three things that you want to use containers for. You can use VMs in your infrastructure. You can use containers. You should ideally be able to use both if you want. And then we bring in concepts of serverless. You pay for what you use. We'll bill you by the second for every CPU and gigabyte of memory that we give you. And then there's low overhead. Your containers have to run somewhere on some host. If you want to do that yourself with a VM and you want to manage that, go for it. But if you don't want to manage it and you want Azure to do it, come check this out. We'll manage the host. All you deal with is your container. Point us to an image, and we'll make sure it runs. And so the missing bit here is autoscaling. How exactly do you autoscale with ACI? Because it doesn't actually include built-in autoscaling. So here is a chart. You've probably seen a lot of charts this week. But at the top of this is VMs. You get the most customization, but you manage the most aspects of it. You really optimized for cost here when you just run it endlessly. Things like an API server that should just be up all the time probably makes sense on a VM. And then on the next layer of manageability but less customization is container instances. If you have a simple application that needs to be containerized, you want to scale it out maybe horizontally, and you want unrestricted execution in your environment. So maybe you use something like OpenCV. Maybe you need this to use some crazy proprietary language. You can package that up as a container, kick it out into ACI if you need to. And then when you deploy this for seconds or minutes or days, you get a lot of great cost savings. You can run this for weeks, months if you want, but that's when you start to tip the scale a little bit in terms of cost. And how do you scale this? Well, there's two real options. There's one, Kubernetes, or a container orchestrator. That's basically, if you have a complex application, you have load balancing, you have services, you want self-healing, you want all the nuts and bolts, then you should use something like AKS. And we actually just announced a private preview of ACI integration into AKS. There is a session later this week from my colleague Ria, who's in the audience. So check that out later in the week on Thursday. And then there's functions. So functions, you can use it on its own, but you can also use it as a management backbone. If you want to deploy containers on demand, call this API, create and delete containers as you start to scale. And when you combine these two, you start to reap all of those benefits of serverless, the serverless model, the cost savings, the low overhead, and it also lets your developers focus less on your infrastructure, focus more on features, and that's going to make a lot of people happy. It's going to make your CTO happy, it's going to make your CFO happy. Most importantly, it's going to make your customer happy. When you have these features coming out and it's reliable and it's scaling right, things get really great. And today, Ignite is actually one of those customers. If you go and check out some of the live streams that happened today, it's actually all being powered by a really cool company. So I'd like to hand it off to Zip from that company to tell you a little bit more.
Thank you. I have my chairing section over here, right? And over here. Oh, that's depressing. I have to work extra hard for you, right? Okay, so I want to thank you guys for inviting us up here to tell you a little bit about our story with ACI and functions. I'll tell you a little bit about Haivision really quickly. So the name of the company is Haivision. We've been around for about a decade or so, and we are a little bit old-fashioned. We make hardware. How many of you guys still use anything that's made of hardware? Right? So we make hardware. We make encoders and decoders. So the type of encoders that we make take video, high-quality video, with very low latency, and we transmit that securely over IP networks like the public internet. So if you've watched like a football game, a lot of the interviews or the news, a lot of the breaking news, a lot of our technology is used in there, right? So that's Haivision. We are at booth 2134, so if you want to see some of the stuff we've done with containers and functions, come over to 2134 after this, and we'll answer all of your questions. And we've done this in a partnership with Microsoft and our partner over here, Southworks, terrific SI, and we're going to show you a little bit about what we've done. So I mentioned we make these encoders, we make these decoders, right? And these typically will go, sometimes they can go in mobile vehicles, a lot of times they go into production studios. There's a couple of encoders behind this wall. In fact, there's about 100 encoders throughout this venue being used to capture this session and other sessions like this, right? So this hardware sits behind the firewall. This hardware has to send the video signal up. And a lot of times the hardware has to send the video signal up into a device that will replicate the streams. I don't want to maybe go to just one location. Maybe I want to go to multiple locations. So a couple of years ago, we created a product called a gateway. So fancy name. And the gateway will accept a live video stream, and then the gateway will replicate that stream, maybe send it to 3 different locations or 4 different locations, right? Makes a ton of sense for us to put that gateway in the cloud somewhere. So we put that gateway up in Azure, we put it in the marketplace, and there was a ton of interest. So yay for us, there was a ton of interest. Not so yay for us. What we found was that the business model didn't work so well because it was a VM. So like we just heard, like VM's a lot of resource, but it takes a lot of effort to deploy it, and it lives in a particular data center, it lives in a particular place. And it's great if you want to bring it up and leave it running for weeks, months, years. But what we found through a couple of our customers that were interested in the gateway function is they wanted to be able to bring these services up very quickly for an event like Ignite. They wanted to bring up a lot of it for a short period of time. Sometimes it might be a day, sometimes it might be a couple of days. In the case of Ignite and Inspire a couple of months ago, it's for like maybe 5 days or so. So actually, Microsoft had been using our technology, our encoder technology, and this protocol that we open source called SRT, Secure, Reliable. Those sound like they're important, right? Transport. So Microsoft said to us, hey, if you guys can figure out a way for us to bring up these resources inside of Azure so that we can use them and then bring them down quickly, we want to be able to do it anywhere in the world. We have an event taking place in the UK. Boop, up, down. We have an event taking place here. We have this huge event taking place in Orlando, right? We want to bring up a lot of resource, use it, and bring it down. So we sat down with Microsoft as our customer, and we met with the ACI guys, and we met with the functions guys, and we put together a little proof of concept and a hack fest with a customer, with Microsoft right there. And we walked through, and we were really quite surprised. We had a 3-day hack fest. About a day of it was get to know you and what's your favorite color and that kind of stuff. A day and a half of like hardcore, the devs doing hack and getting stuff running. And at the end of the day, on the second day, we had totally workable capabilities using containers and functions. So one of the things that we found that was terrific here is a really, really short learning curve for all of us. You know, our devs at Southworks that clearly know the functionality, but also our own devs here at Haivision to help add to that velocity, right? So we went through these hacks. So we did a bunch of different sort of deployments. We deployed this technology at Inspire, which is the show for partners during the summer in Vegas in July, which I got to recommend is fantastic in July. And then at this show, we actually doubled the amount of capacity. So we actually doubled the number of containers that come up, double the amount of streams that come up, and all of that live streaming that you're seeing and all the video on demand that you're seeing is it's our technology bringing it up into Azure. And then there's a bunch of other partners, and I'll put a shout out to Microsoft Production Studio for having the vision to do this, and the guys at Evia, and of course our friends at Southworks and Haivision. What we found was that this was really the best choice for us to really take a sort of a DevOps-based approach. We're a hardware company. We make hardware. It takes a long time to get that hardware together, and this is new to us, this rapid iteration, this being able to bring up services, bring up these containers anywhere in the world, make changes to them. Next week, we're deploying a new version that has new functionality and stuff. It's been really, really fantastic for us. We will be revisiting the architecture periodically because we do have some customers that want to keep things running for a longer period of time, right? And some other different types of deployments. But we've been really a poster child for the challenge and then solving that challenge through the use of containers and functions. This is a quick snapshot of what's going on. This was a couple of days ago. And so what this first chart here shows is this is the scale. So before Ignite started on Friday, we pressed a button in our web app, and it brought up 70 instances in Azure, one of the Azure data centers, maybe Azure West. It brought up 70 instances for ingest. Bloop. That would have been like maybe 30 virtual machines or 20 virtual machines, right? Boop, they come up. You can see the metrics here. We did some testing, right? Make sure things were working the way we expected them to and whatnot, and then, brought them down. Bloop, they went away. And then Saturday, I think Saturday is when we had all the show ready, all the kits were behind the walls, and everything was all dialed in, and Evia and Freeman were doing stuff. And so they pressed the button, and it was showtime. And it's been that way ever since, right? We've got real awesome scalability, real awesome flexibility. It's really fast. We're getting the amount of compute, the amount of RAM, the amount of network we need. We're not paying for a lot of VMs. We don't have a lot of stuff sitting around. It's really, really, really responsive, and it's proven to be incredibly resilient and very, very reliable. This is what the architecture looks like. I don't want to bore you, but we call the service SRT Hub, and it's designed to be a routing service. So we've got all these different sources. What you need to know is there's a bunch of Haivision MXE or Makito encoders, and these encoders are coming up into this Azure cloud-based service. It's going to be a SaaS, and then we're moving around the Azure backbone network, and we're coming back out and we're dropping it into destinations. In this case, we're dropping everything into Azure Media Services, which is where you're seeing it when you watch the on-demand and the live. And I think we actually have a quick image of that.
Is this the right one?
So this is just sort of the main page for Ignite, and you'll see like there are live events going on, and this is a replay. And there's at any given time, there's probably like 40 of these going up into Azure, and it's being processed by the folks at Evia. And that's what you guys get to watch in the VOD when you go home and forget everything that I just said. You can go home and watch this again and again, show your wife, your kids, your friends, tell them Zip sent you, right? So all of that is being done. And so what we're seeing is a digital transformation of this capture workflow. And it allows Microsoft to give you guys, its customers, a really great experience, whether you're at the show and you have to go into an overflow room because the room is filled up, or you're reviewing this stuff, or you're showing it to your boss, or whatever, right? So it's a really, really great example of using these back-end technologies, to get things done. So just as a quick takeaway before I turn it back over, like we had very minimum learning curve, right? We love the fact that we don't have servers to manage, right? That is just super fantastic for us, super scalable. It's very consumption-based. One of the problems that we have with the VM is like this big, thick thing that we put it up and we charge you a certain amount of money no matter how much of it you're using, right? This allows us to charge our customers for what they're using. You have an hour-long event, boop, up for an hour. You have a week-long event, you have a month-long event. We can scale that and we can be very, very competitive, and our competitors can't meet those same business models, right? So we're really, really excited about it. We tested it in Inspire, we're doing some more stuff here, and we're getting ready to go into a commercial launch. So if you have live video for things like all hands or events or something, please come back and see us. 2134, and I think that's it. I think I turn it back over to you, my friend.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Thank you, Zip. So hopefully that gave you at least a real-world concrete idea around how you can use some of these services together. Now it's your turn. If you want to go try it, ACI is still today the easiest way for you to deploy containers to any cloud. And so it's one command. Head in here. This is a hello world command. And here you're assigning a public IP address. So for situations like Haivision, if you have these task-based containers that just have an ingest point, maybe you assign a public IP, maybe you don't. But now we've actually brought in new integration into virtual networks. So if you work within an enterprise with a lockdown environment, which you probably do, we now support assigning an IP address from a dedicated subnet within that environment. So you can deploy these containers behind a secure network. It can communicate with other resources in that virtual network. It can communicate with service endpoints and even on-prem resources that might be tunneling through ExpressRoute. And so on the next phase in upcoming features, we're going to be bringing in new higher security features, ways for you to pass creds into your containers without having to expose them over HTTP or HTTPS. And then you'll get GPU support. So if you have machine learning workloads, you have things that just require a ton of CPU, you're going to be able to containerize it and kick it out into here if you want. And then the last bit is regional expansion. We aim to hit all public regions by early next year so that no matter where in the world you might need containers, you'll be able to get it through ACI. So on the last note, we've got 2 more sessions that are related to ACI this week if you are interested. One of them is Serverless Kubernetes with AKS and ACI on Thursday. And then another one is a breakout with our partners in networking. They'll do a deep dive, hands-on lab of deploying into a virtual network. So go check that out if that's interesting to you. Otherwise, there's some short leaks in here. I think we'll be putting them on the Ignite website after the conference. So go check it out. Leave us feedback at ACI/feedback. And so stay in touch with us. Thank you all for listening. I think we've got 1 minute for questions. Yeah? Any questions? They come up later. Container booths over there next to the giant corn sorting machine. And then your booth is?
We're over in Whitlock in 2134.
Awesome. Thank you.